Hi friends, this is Callie Person, and I'm excited to share my first video here on the Hero Arts channel. Today, I'm using the Hero Arts Partner set designed by Pinkfresh Studio called You Make a Difference. This set was created to celebrate Hero Arts' 45th anniversary, and we're so excited that Pinkfresh is collaborating with Hero Arts. Before stamping, I prep my sand-colored cardstock panel using an anti-static powder tool. Then I stamp and emboss with Hero Arts Embossing and Watermark ink. I apply gold embossing powder and then heat set it with my heat tool. I'm using Polychromos colored pencils today, but Prismacolors or other colored pencils will work just as great since we're working with such small areas. I start by laying down a light layer of white color over the areas that I want to color. Then you can apply the medium shade or the darkest shade. I don't think it matters so much here because again we're working with a small area. I'm starting with the darker Madder Red, then blending it with my medium shade in Fuchsia. Then going back with my white colored pencil to blend it all out. This blends all the colors together nicely to remove any rough lines that may have been created previously. Once I finish my pinks, I color the leaves with 2 shades of green just as I did with the flowers. The green colors that I'm using here are called Leaf Green and Deep Cobalt Green. I'm just repeating the steps here by adding the darkest color first, applying the medium shade, then going over the whole thing with white. After coloring, I trimmed my panel by 1/4 inch to get fresh edges and to mat it to an A2 sized card base later. I'm also embossing the sentiment, and the scripts on this set are actually hand lettered by me, so it's pretty exciting to see it in use. Again, I'm stamping it with watermark ink and then embossing it with gold embossing powder. To give my card a bit more interest, I'm using my Jelly Roll pen in white and adding white gel highlights on the right side of each stem and petal. I'm trying to keep it more linear with each of the lines, so I'm not going around the flowers. Before mounting it to my card base, I decided to add some dimension with white craft foam. I'm using double-sided score tape to make sure it's really secure. I remove the backing on the adhesive and apply my colored panel, giving the card a 1/8 inch white border from the card base. Finally, to finish my card, I'm using some Pinkfresh Studio Jewels. These are the lighter pink, and I'm using precision glue by Hero Arts to adhere them down in various areas to finish my card. I hope you enjoyed this card. It's so fun to see companies come together, and I love combining tools and supplies to create these cards. If you're unsure about colored pencils, I hope you'll give it a try, or opt to use markers if you want to. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye everyone.